Good morning everyone. How are you all children? I hope you all are well. Good. So student, this is your English class. Which class? English return class. And today we will do the cursive alphabet. Today we will do the cursive alphabet. So before starting the topic, let's do the assembly work. Month of the year is July. Shape of the week. Shape of the week is circle. Shape of the week is circle. Circle. Fruit of the week. Fruit of the week is plum. Fruit of the week is plum. P-L-U-M, plum. And color of the week. Color of the week is red. R-E-D, red. Word of the week. Word of the week is cloudy. Cloudy. C-L-O-U-D-Y. Cloudy. Sentence of the week. Sentence of the week is today is a cloudy day. Today is a cloudy day. Very good. So students, learn the assembly work also. All of you open your English notebook. This notebook, all of you open it. Very good. Topic, I have already told you. We are going to do cursive alphabet, cursive and small alphabet. O, P and Q. O, P and Q. So all of you listen carefully and watch the video carefully so that you can understand how to make O, P and Q. So I am starting it. First of all, you have to write classwork. Then day, Thursday. Date is 22nd July 2021. Cursive and small alphabet. O, capital O and small o, capital P and small p, capital Q and small q. First of all, you have to give the dot so that it looks neat and clean. Like this. And children, please, I want neat and clean work. Okay, so start. First of all, you have to round it like this and give the curve shape like this. O, small o, capital 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 O, small o. Round and give the shape. Then round like this. O, small o like this. Then P, come down from the top and do like this. P, down, P, like this. P, 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 P. Okay. Then again Q, go round and give the shape from the down like this. Q. Circle it from the middle, come down and do like this. Q. Then again go round and give the shape. Then like this. Q. Again go round, give the shape, circle it from the middle and then give the shape like this. Go round and do this like this, circle it from the middle, come down and do like this. Q. Q for queen. Again same process, give the shape and Q like this. Again round it, give the shape like this, round it from the middle, come down and go. Again round it like this. Q. Again round it, give the shape, round it and then do like that. Q. So like this you have to make the O for orange, P for parrot, Q for queen in cursive and small both. So have you understood how you have to make? Write down for this type of format. I hope you all have understood this. So you have to do this in your English notebook with neat and clean handwriting. And you have to click the picture of this and send it to me by 2 p.m. Till then, bye-bye everyone and enjoy your day and be safe everyone.